In this video, I will be showing you how to install LM Studio and also how to run AI models locally in Windows. So let's get started. First thing, just search for LM Studio. We'll be having the official link lmstudio.ai. Click it and here we'll be having the download for Windows option. Select this. The download will be getting started. It is around 569 MB in size. Just be patient till then. Once the download is complete, just open it and we'll be getting the LM Studio setup. Just click on I agree. This is fine. Click on next. This is going to be the default location where LM Studio will be installed. If you are having very less space in local disk C, just click on browse and go to this PC and select a different drive. Make a new folder, select it and click on OK. That is done. Just click on install. Once it is done, make sure that this run LM Studio is checked and click on finish. We'll be getting this interface. Just click on get started. Your first model. To the rightmost top, you'll be having skip. You can click it and automatically start the local server whenever you log in. I don't want this to happen. I will just click on continue. That's it. We'll be getting the LM Studio interface like this. So just close it. First thing, let's change the theme. Go to appearance and let's have the theme as dark. Here we are having so many options. First is this is the chat interface. Now it is empty because we do not have any models over here. So if I go to pick a model, it is empty now. It's just recommending a model to me. So that is chats, and here we are having developer, the chat with model, list your models, some API endpoints in case if you're running in local and hitting it from an API endpoint, you can use this other stuff. And next we are having my models. At this moment this is empty because I don't have any models downloaded. This is the place all the models are going to get installed. If you want to change it, click on these three dots and click on change. Now select the folder where you want this models to get added. So I have just changed it and this is going to be model search. This is the place where we can download the models from. We are having from OpenAI, this is from Qwen, Mistral, we are having from Google, and if I go for Llama, here we are having from Meta's Llama. So many models are available. You can simply search the model of your choice. So for this purpose, I will just go and search for Gemma. So I will just go with this model. Here we will be getting all the information about this model. So a small description, and here the other models similar to it. For example, this is like Gemma 3.4b. We are having 3N, 2, 3.27b, the other models from this. And you can simply like go through this stuff. Just click on download. This will basically start the model to get downloaded. So just be patient for a while. Once it is downloaded, we'll be getting this pop-up. We can simply close everything. Alright, and now if I go to chat and go to pick a model, we'll be having the Gemma 3 4 billion. I will just select that, and here we have some settings. First is the estimated memory usage. You can just check it out. Next is the model file and the context length. If you want, you can change it according to your use case. GPU offload, I'm just going to go with the default one. I'll just click on load model. So the model is basically loading, which is running at the moment, and it says model loaded successfully. So now if I go here and type something, as you can see, I'm getting the response instantly. So that's amazing. This is with the chat, exactly similar, new chat. You can just download another model and do stuff. If you want to input some files, you can do that over here. So this is working fine, and as you can see here, we are having the loaded models. We are having Google Gemma 3 over here. If you wanted to stop running, you can simply click on this button over here. That's it. Now if I go here again and select this, again we need to select the model. So that's how you basically stop a model from running. You can go through this stuff, and next in my models I'll be having the Gemma 3 now. Okay, So in case if you want to like change any settings or see some information about it, you can go here and play around with it. You can directly use it in a chat from here. If you want to remove it, you can simply click here and delete this model also. You can even like pin it to task, just play around with it. Okay, do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.